Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be explaining how you can spawn Darksteel in Township Tale, so let's get right into it. Township Tale is an upcoming VR multiplayer RPG game, and it is currently in its pre-alpha stages. This means that it is very glitchy, and the information here is subject to change, so just keep that in mind. However, there is a console command which you can use to add items to your profile. One of these commands is the spawn command. However, you cannot use it to add items to yourself. And as you can see, I'm using a Reddit article to show this to you guys, since I do not own a VR headset, so I cannot play a Township Tale. However, just bear with me. This solution is very easy to follow, and this article will prove and serve me just fine. Now, as you can see, this person here is having trouble, and they do not know how to use the spawn command on dashboard.township tale. However, you cannot spawn items on quest. However, you cannot send items to your mailbox in game. The way you do this is by entering the command trade post and enter your player name, enter the item name. In this case, it will be Darksteel, and then enter the quantity. Once you do this, and once you enter this command, the Darksteel of the selected quantity will be added to your trade post, or to your mailbox rather, and you just have to collect it, and that is pretty much it. One important thing to note, you should not add items that aren't implemented yet, since it will crash your quest server. So items such as Goetra cores, birch, redwood, and so on and so forth cannot be added, or else they will crash your game. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.